Hey, you're not grabbing me like that. Like, don't grab me like that.
Stop yelling. Stop.
I'm doing it.
Put your knees down.
The 9th of June, 2025. California Airport. Airport police respond to a gate disturbance. Charges filed: assault on a peace officer, disorderly conduct, and public intoxication.
13, go ahead, Charlie, 11, 15, go on 5, 15 seconds.
Watch out, guys. I got an issue out there.
I need more units at Charlie 11. Where's she? Does she keep walking this way? Control, it's a black female right here, screaming down the hallway. Headed towards Charlie 8.
For what? Hey!
Wait with me.
Chill.
You need to walk with me. Before you go in the car.
Hey, come on, mother. For what?
Causing disturbance.
No. Wait, don't do all that. Don't do
Yeah, no,
that.
you're not going to do
Walk over here
this.
by these windows.
Hey, stop.
Walk that way. I'll get it for you.
Stop. You don't have to
Number 708.
Okay, walk this way.
airport. Stop.
So chill out.
We can stop.
Put your
All right, now
Stop.
If you don't come,
Stop.
you may arrest it.
Stop.
We're telling you
Like,
stop.
take all this shit. Stop. Do not grab me like that. Like, don't grab me like that.
Okay,
Take all
stop
this
yelling.
shit.
Stop yelling.
Don't grab me like that.
Okay, stop yelling for a second.
What you did was wrong.
Stop yelling.
What you did was wrong.
Stop yelling.
Don't grab me like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to talk to you. Now stop yelling.
Don't grab me like that.
Okay, why did I get called?
Learn your fucking job.
Okay. Yeah, we're not doing that.
Right.
Now you're mad?
Look up.
You grabbed on me? I didn't do anything.
Please stand by 1.
I didn't do anything.
8 for
You
5, 10,
grabbed
15.
me.
We're in front of that bottom
What's your
room.
name? What's your name?
We'll get all that
No,
information.
what's your name?
845, we have it on camera.
Huh? Oh, now you can't talk. But you was talking that shit.
We'll be on the arrest report.
But you was talking that shit.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything. I did not do anything.
Why are you yelling and everything and running away from that?
Because I'm talking loud like I'm on my phone. I did not do anything though.
Why didn't you just talk to us?
I did not do anything.
That's fine. That's all
I'm
you
gonna
had
go
to
home to my daughter. I didn't do anything.
I need to figure
That's
out
all
what
you had to
happened.
explain to us.
I did not do anything.
Charlie 11. Yeah, she was walking away when I triggered
You
her.
had attitude. I did not do
So if you
anything.
didn't do anything, why didn't you just talk to us?
I didn't do anything until she grabbed me.
Okay, listen.
Hands on me.
Listen, stop talking. Do you want to make this situation better or not?
I didn't do anything until you put your hands
Stop
on me.
talking for a
And
second.
y'all-
Okay, we're just going to go to
I
jail. We're not
didn't.
going to sit here and talk to
Okay,
you. We're just going to go to jail.
Do it. Do it. Yeah, do it. Do it.
You want to bring
Yeah.
up here?
Because I didn't do anything till you put your hands on me. You're a fucking ass liar.
Pardon me?
I spit in your face. I swear to God, I spit in your face. Fuck. I ain't shit.
Joe call about that female. Can you tell me a little bit what happened?
I don't want to say what she said while I'm in front of him. I'll tell you.
Tomorrow, I have class tomorrow. I have my kid tomorrow. Because she grabbed me. I did not do anything until she grabbed me.
You sure take a couple.
What? That man, the man at the counter was mad. Not even because of anything, he was mad because of other shit. Like, I did not do anything. Take the cameras. I did not do anything. I just want to go home.
That's all you had to tell us.
I want to go home.
You didn't have to yell at us, pull away from
Yeah,
us.
but
Do you mind just going back to where I am to grab my keys and
I
bring it
have
to me?
11, I'm holding a irate ticking level commercial sky. Someone I need to look at the level. I was on some issue which road and you give them a number and I'm allowed.
Yes,
Stand up. It's like an adult. Stand up.
Don't push me like that.
Don't start that.
Don't push me like that. do anything. Don't push me like that. If you want to keep your job, don't fucking push me like that. Don't push me like that. I did not do anything to y'all. I was not no threat to you. Don't push me like that. That's not in your jurisdiction. Don't push me like that. I did not do anything to you.
It's at the bottom of the jet bridge.
That's not right.
Control the location. I'm in for a level.
Since you're being arrested.
You're not going to tell me that you're searching me? You're not going to tell me that you're searching me? Yes, you do.
You go to law school.
Are you dumb?
Where'd you go to law school?
She's not going to say anything to me. She's just going to come and rob my ass. She's not going to say nothing to me. She's going to put her hand up my ass.
Can you go to Charlie 11 and figure out what happened?
What? Right. She's not going to say anything.
Just please say
She just put her hand up my ass. Yep. She just put her hand up my ass. That's legal. She put her hands on me. That's legal. She put her hands on me. That's not conduct. That's not conduct, you put your hands on me. I'll spell you. You put your hands on me. That's not okay. That's not okay. And I need your shit. That's not okay. That's not okay. Yeah, you want me to act?
Voice is coming.
I can act cool, but she put her hands on me.
Can you help him?
Everything
Can you help him get
okay.
in?
You put your hands on me though. For sure. I need her name. I need her name.
You'll get it.
I need her. No. Right now. Right now.
Stop.
Right now. No.
Stop.
What's her name?
Relax.
I'm not trying to give it to me.
Relax.
Hey,
Come
what
on.
the f*** you doing now?
Get on the ground.
On
the ground.
You want to do all that?
On the ground. Put your knees out. Lay on the
What's
ground.
that mean?
You gotta.
Nah, y'all don't want to give me her name. That's the thing.
You got a hobble.
You don't have to do all that.
My car's, that's not my car. I have one in my backpack, but it's not here.
Okay.
You don't got to do all that.
Are you done fighting us?
I'm done.
All right.
All right.
I'm done. I'm
We're gonna
done.
give you a chance to walk the
I'm
patrol
done.
car.
I'm done.
Do not fight us. Okay?
I won't.
All right.
But I don't like this. Come on.
Go ahead and roll this up.
Control 29, California 29 degrees. Therefore, be advised, NCIC is running slow, so take a long first get return 5, 3 as well.
Okay, pretty cut and dry. She was cutting line and kind of just being all over the place at the counter, and he's like, hey, you need to step back. She cussed him, called him an F N-word. So he's like, okay. So then he went to the jet bridge to call us, came back out. She was still trying to get in line because at that point he decided she wasn't going to fly. And then she kept trying to get in line. He's like, no, you're not flying. And she just kept getting belligerent and calling names. Okay. Stuff. So, all right. That's fine.
Might need to be humble too. Charlie Bravo 10427.
That's her fault. I do. But this shit's her fault.
Don't be yelling at her.
Oh, she did this to me. No. She did that shit to me for what? For what, for what? She do that? Why? 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 I gotta get back to my kid. Why? You have kids? I'll spare you. That was part of your protocol? That was your protocol? It smashed me in my face? That was your protocol? Was that your protocol to smash me in my face? Was that your protocol to smash me in my face?
Why are you spitting?
Was that your protocol?
Why are you spitting?
I ain't spit on you. I was trying to do off the side. To smash my face though? That's what they taught you at the academy? Because I'm in the Navy. That's what they taught you? To smash me in my face. Hey, do that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That was their protocol though. To smash my face. That's what they told you.
I know you're right.
My question is,
Yes.
do you think what y'all have done to me was right? Is the dash cam on?
It's on.
Body cam's on.
You think what y'all did to me was right? There's no way you think that.
You have to do something.
Controlling for 5
All the man up there said was I was being disorderly. But then I come here, she's beating me in the back. She's beating me in the back. On the camera. Come here. Oh yeah, now we don't want to record. Now we don't want to record. She's beating on the back. Y'all some ass.
Did they tell dispatch to start on me?
No.
And on her deal.
What? Not mad. Now put this on. Answer me for nothing. You stupid, dumb. Why the f would you put your hands on me? Why? Now you can't say shit. Why did you put your hands on me? You hear me? Why did you put your hands on me? Huh? Oh, now you ain't got nothing to say. But when you did this shit, it was cool. You know what that sound like? It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. It's cool when you put your hands on me.
845, what's the metro number going to be for? What can I get it for you?
You're a
Disorderly.
using that motherfucking bad drug.
10-4.
And you ugly. You have kids. I bet the kids ugly. You ugly. Go ahead.
So when we asked you to stop and you refused to stop after several times of trying to ask you, you didn't. So at that point, we have to put our hands on you and force you to stop. Okay? If you would have stopped, listen, if you would have stopped and let me talk to you and let me explain why I got called to you and I would have let you talk to me, you wouldn't have been here. I get that the gate agents are frustrating and they make you mad, but if you would have talked to me and let me talk to you, we wouldn't be here right now.
We don't have to go there.
We have to now. We have to now.
I can't do this shit. I can't keep doing this stupid shit. I have a kid. I want to go home.
Okay, listen. So I got called to a disturbance that I didn't know what was going on, right? But they just pointed down at you and said that it was you. And I have to stop you and figure out what's going on. Like, I can't just let you go. Like, I don't know what happened before I made contact with you, right? I had to stop you before, like whatever it was escalated. I don't know. So that's why I had to stop you and talk to you and figure out what was going on before I could just like let you loose and then run back to the gate and figure out what's going on. I have to get perspectives from both sides, Like, I wanted to hear your story, but you wouldn't let me hear it. And I get you're mad. Listen, let me finish. I get you're upset, and I get you probably don't like police. A lot of people don't like police, and I completely understand why. People actually have a valid reason to not like police. But I tried to talk to you, and you didn't want to talk to me. And look, I get it. Like, I get if you don't want to talk to police, but if you didn't want to be in this situation, all you had to do was say, this is what happened. I'm upset. Whatever it was.
Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Officers may conduct an investigative stop on reasonable articulable suspicion alone. A dispatch report with a matching subject satisfies this threshold. California Penal Code Section 148A1. Willfully resisting or obstructing a peace officer is a misdemeanor committed the moment a subject refuses a lawful command during a valid Terry stop. Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court 2004, officers may demand identification during a Terry stop. California has no mandatory stop and identify statute. Refusal alone does not independently constitute obstruction. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, profanity directed at officers is protected First Amendment speech. Protection ends, however, where conduct crosses into fighting words or a breach of the peace under Penal Code Section 415. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness of force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. 3 factors: severity of offense, threat level, and whether the subject is actively resisting or fleeing. Use of force continuum. Hard, empty-hand ground control is authorized when verbal commands have failed, the subject is actively resistant, and intermediate weapons have not been deployed. Graham v. Connor, force must cease when resistance ends. Continued force beyond the point of compliance constitutes excessive force and establishes grounds for a federal civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. California Penal Code Section 241C. Assault on a peace officer engaged in lawful duties. Prosecution requires proof the subject knew the individual was a peace officer. Knowledge is the key element. California Penal Code Section 647F. Public intoxication requires proof the subject was unable to exercise care for their own safety or the safety of others. Observed behavior and post-arrest testing are primary evidence 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Federal remedy for constitutional violations under color of state law. Applies where force exceeded grave reasonableness or where a seizure lacked reasonable suspicion or probable cause. Key lesson: refusing a lawful Terry stop eliminates the opportunity to present a prior grievance to the responding officer. Compliance first. Legal remedy through proper channels second.